behind the scenes of how I do my makeup. Howdy folks, so I'm taking you behind the scenes because I'm getting ready to do a little modeling with this blue dress because I don't think I've done this blue dress. And so look, I'm taking you behind the scenes really quick. Listen, I don't even know if this part of the video will make it. I'm not gonna lie. I have on absolutely no makeup, but this is what I go through. So right now, and I normally would do this in front of the mirror, and this is really not the color that I really want, but that's okay. And yes, so this is what I'm doing. So this is a concealer stick, and I've messed it up, you know what I mean? So I have this like Q-tip. This is really a Q-tip. And now I'm just spotting all the areas on my face that I really want to cover. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'll do this. And what you hear in the background is the fan, because for whatever reason I feel like through the vents some kind of way sometimes it can get like blurry. I don't know if dust or what is coming through the vents. I don't know, maybe it's all in my head, but I just feel so much more at ease when I have the fan going. So I have the fan going just to make sure that this area behind me is as clear as possible, because I remember one time I did a video and oh my gosh, it looked like I was in I don't know, a chimney, you know what I mean? And so I couldn't use, I think I did one video and I tried to play it off like, oh, I'm gonna make it like it's a smoky video, but I really couldn't use that content. So anyways, this is too much. I'm not concentrating. This is way too much. I really was just supposed to spot the areas. So normally I feel like my areas that can use a little love, extra love, is around the chin. Right here is my go-to. This little bit right here on the nose, there's something there. Right here, and typically right there. So, and I'm only working with what I have. I actually need to get some more makeup. So I'll do this, and now let me show you the next part. So next, I typically use this. But I have 2 bottles of these and they're like empty. I've been doing like this and there's like nothing in there. Let's just see. And so I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to make a to-do list of what to order. Look at this. I'm gonna try. I know there's nothing in here, but typically I would use this foundation next. Very little. Okay, wait a minute. Ooh. And so anyways, to be very honest, the concealer that I use, and I think I mentioned it already, it's really not the color that I want, because the color that I really like to use, that's all gone. No, like all gone. Okay, I don't know, but this is the better color. So with my foundation being empty, with this being empty, and you can see with my natural complexion of my face, this concealer, not this one but the one that I use, doesn't really match. I'm gonna be using this. Can you hear this? Okay, so this is like an airbrush type of makeup. That's what I'm gonna say. Now this is darker than my skin, but I think it will absolutely even out because the concealer is too bright and this is a little more dark. And so what I do is I just put this on here, and I'm gonna use this instead of the foundation that I am absolutely out of. So I'm gonna do this, and now I can just go all around, and I'll put a little more. Okay, and so once I finish putting this on, I'm actually going to put on some face powder. Okay, not this, so I'm going to put one more layer of this on, and then I'm going to do the face powder. And then, I don't know, this video is getting kind of long. Do you want me to keep going? And then I'm going to do, well, I may not. I may just stop here because this video is getting long. But the next thing I would do, my face powder, and I will do my eyes. I do eyeliner above my eyes because I love false eyelashes, and I used to wear them a couple of years ago, but I just hate the maintenance of them, and plus it just takes away the little bit of eyelashes that I have. So my trick is I do eyeliner at the top, and I do lots of mascara, and then I naturally do not have any eyebrows that go all the way. Naturally my eyebrows stop here, and so I have to put on eyebrows. But then there's a special like liquid, like once you put on once you use the tool to put on your eyebrows to draw them on, you can use this liquid that kind of really makes it look like real eyebrows. So I'm just, and then I do my lipstick. who cares? How about I just show you what the end result is? Okay. Wait, one more tidbit. So I have really bad allergies. And so I have a prescription allergy medicine that I take every night. And I also take one of these every single morning. And so I've already taken my allergy pill this morning, and I have to put in these eye drops, because or else my eyes will look red. And I don't know, folks may think like, oh my gosh, is she high? No, I'm not high, because I don't do drugs, okay? But I just wanted to let you know that tidbit. So there's been times where I've tried to do a video or photo shoot, and my allergies were just too bad. And I was like, I cannot post this. I think I have a few recordings that I have posted, and my eyes are kind of red, I can tell, but that's because I have allergies, you all. So as you can see, my eyes are nice and white. And I've already used this, and I've already taken my allergy medicine, so I'm feeling really good. Now let's get to the end result. Okay, I lied, I'm almost done. Anyways, I just want to let you know that I absolutely love to take this makeup off after whatever I'm doing. Believe it or not, I just cannot stand makeup to be on my face all day. I just can't. So it depends on what's going on. Like right now, I'm trying to do like a little photo thing, video thing. So I'm gonna put on a little extra makeup. But typically, if I'm not doing anything else afterwards, I absolutely take the makeup off. Like it comes off right away, everything. I just don't like it. Now, if I'm running to the grocery store, of course, I would not put on this level of makeup. I know the eyebrows are scaring you, but that's okay, because when I do the video shoot, everything's gonna pop. But when I go to the grocery store, just running, you know, out quickly or whatever, it's like not that serious. Very little makeup, probably some face powder, and I might or might not put the eyeliner up here. I may or may not, you know what I mean? Vaseline on the lips, and then I'm out, you know what I mean? So anyways, I'm not quite done, but trust me, when I put it all together with my hair together and everything, and you know what I want to say? I do want to say this. I struggle with my eyebrows, because your eyebrows can make you look a lot of things. You could look angry. So the thicker they are, the more I feel like, and I'm just going to say it, the thicker they are, you do them, I feel like the more prominent you look. You know what I mean? That's the word I'm going to say, the more prominent. I think the thinner they are, the more softer the look. So anyways, I guess I went with the prominent look, and it is what it is. And this is the best I can do. I showed y'all I do not have eyebrows. What can I do? You know what I mean? Like, I don't have them. So anyways, oh, and I did not put the liquid on yet. So at the end, I think you'll see the difference. Okay, so the liquid that I used to kind of make it look realistic, I didn't put on yet. But anyways, all right, that's it for this. Are y'all still watching? If so, I love you. I'm coming back with the end result, okay? I promise. Okay, I stretched the truth again. I'm back, and I'm gonna keep this fan going. So, but I just wanted to show you. So I did my mascara here. If you look at this side, it's hard to see, but you can really see the difference. Let me see. Like, I haven't done this one yet. Do you see? So you see how it just shaped my eye? You know what I mean? Like, you saw what it was in the beginning, right? Like, so that's my solution for not using false eyelashes. It's to do the eyeliner and do a heck of a lot of mascara. I use 3 different mascara brushes. They all have different types of brushes. So anyways, you see? Ain't nothing over there. I'm about to do the other one, and then I'm coming back with the final, I promise. And here we are. This is the final thing that I could do. So my makeup is done, the best of my ability. And so I just put a little shine on my hair. And by the way, I decided to go with this hairstyle because I feel as though if you look at some of my previous video photo posts, I was wearing brown hair. Now, I love the style of the hair, but the color, I felt like it just didn't elevate me. You know what I mean? Because it was, my complexion is brown and the hair is the shade of brown, where it really didn't make things pop. But I've always been a fan of black, not just black, jet black. Okay, but anyways, So here it is, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's super long, but hey, this is something from me to you, from behind the scenes of the little bit of stuff that I do just to get ready. So let me go ahead and find some jewelry, some shoes, and a purse, and get this party going so I can take this makeup off. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure that you subscribe, follow, like, share, and tell your friends, and I will see you soon. Bye.